Bonjour and welcome to Paris 2024. Get ready for an unforgettable family adventure in the City of Light during the Olympic Games. Today, we're showcasing the top family-friendly activities and attractions, along with essential tips for families traveling to Paris during the Games. This video contains affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission if you make a purchase at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me create more valuable content for you. Countdown begins. 10. Stade de France Tours. Start your Olympic journey with a tour of the iconic Stade de France. Explore the stadium's history and behind-the-scenes areas. 9. Seine River Cruises. Take a scenic cruise along the Seine River for stunning views of Paris's landmarks. A perfect way to relax and see the city. 8. Parks and Gardens. Discover Paris's beautiful parks and gardens, like Luxembourg Gardens and Parc Chaumont, for family fun and relaxation. 7. Children's Workshops. Join interactive children's workshops across the city, where kids can get creative and learn new skills while having a blast. 6. Club 2024 Zones. Explore Club 2024 zones for family-friendly activities, live screenings, and sports demos. Fun for all ages. 5. Villette Science Museum. Visit the Villette Science Museum for interactive exhibits and hands-on learning experiences. A perfect outing for curious minds. 4. Disneyland Paris. Experience the magic of Disneyland Paris, where families can meet beloved characters and enjoy thrilling rides and shows. 3. Parc Zoologique de Paris. Discover wildlife wonders of Parc Zoologique de Paris, home to a diverse range of animals from around the world. 2. Family-friendly dining. Savor delicious French cuisine at family-friendly restaurants and cafes. Don't forget to try mouthwatering pastries and treats. And the #1 family-friendly destination in Paris, Parc de la Villette. With playgrounds, gardens, and cultural attractions, there's something for everyone to enjoy. For a hassle-free trip, make sure to check out the resources links in the description below and get the best deals. The links contain affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission if you make a purchase at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me create more valuable content for you. Thank you for joining us on this family adventure in Paris 2024. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel tips and updates. A bientôt.